Question number 1. What does the term phishing refer to in cyber security? B. Online fraud scams. Question 2. Which of the following is a type of malware? Option C. Ransomware. Question 3. What does VPN stand for? Option A. Virtual private network. Question 4. Which is a common method of securing accounts? C. Two-factor authentication. Question 5. What does the term firewall mean in cyber security? A security system. Question 6. What is the purpose of encryption? B. Protect the data. Question 7. What is a strong password? B. Combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Question 8. Which type of attack floods a server with excessive requests? Option B. Denial of service. Question 9. What is the role of an antivirus software? Option B. Detect and remove malware. Question 10. What does the term hacker refer to? Option C. Someone exploiting vulnerabilities. Question 11. What is a common threat to public Wi-Fi network? C. Email dropping. Question 12. What is the full form of HTTPS? C. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Question 13. What does a Trojan horse malware do? B. Disguise as a legitimate software. Question 14. Which of these is an example of biometric security? B. Retina scan. Question 15. What does the term ransomware refer to? The malware that logs system for ransom. Question 16. Which of these is a social engineering attack? A. Phishing. Question 17. What does the term zero-day vulnerability mean? A bug known to attackers. Question 18. What is the main purpose of a CAPTCHA? B. Verify human users. Question 19. What is a rootkit? Question B. Question 20. What is social engineering in the context of cyber security? B. Question 21. What does the term spyware mean? Option A, software that tracks activity. Question 22. What does SQL injection target? Option B, web applications. Question 23. What is an essential step in securing IoT devices? B, updating firmware. Question 24. Which of these is an example of multi-factor authentication? Option A, using password and OTP. Question 25. What does the term cyber attack refer to? Option B, unauthorized digital access. Question 26. What is the purpose of a digital certificate? Option C, verify website identity. Question 27. What does data breach mean? B, unauthorized access to sensitive data. Question 28. What is a brute force attack? Option A. Question 29. What does penetration testing mean? Option B. Question 30. Which of the following is an example of a hardware security measure? Option B, biometric scanner.